Hey guys, to celebrate Max's birthday, I made dog face cupcakes for people and a piñata for Max. For the cupcakes, I used cake mix, vanilla frosting with sprinkles, a grass piping tip, cupcake liners, toothpicks, and chocolate. The piping tip came with a couple of bags. First, I covered the surface with frosting. Then made curves for the nose and the eyes, lines for the ears, and filled in the gaps. I melted a small piece of chocolate and used a toothpick to create the eyes and nose. I added a pink sprinkle for the tongue, then made more. Whenever I made a mistake, I used a toothpick to lift the chocolate off. I also added paper straws and sprinkles to a couple to make them look like milkshakes. And here's how they turned out. I used my Cricut to make a birthday sign. And I used clear fishing line and tape to hang it. For the piñata, I used a small box. Make 2 holes at the top and 2 holes at the bottom, along with a tab. I used this bag to wrap it and remade the holes in tab. I secured it with tape. Add cord to the top. Knot it and cut the extra cord. Then add cord to the bottom. I added a knot at the top and bottom of the box. And added Max's toy. I also taped a piece of paper to the tab to keep it in place. And here's how it turned out.